It's here already. Freezing cold. I thought this would be hot. Oh no, you gotta cook it yourself? What the fuck? What's the point of the fucking vending machine? Times like this, I wish I was a smoker, because I could take a nice long drag of a nice Marlboro Red or a Camel. All my worries would fade right away. It's a candy cigarette. I'm gonna make a vending machine and it's actually gonna sell cigarettes to children. We're heading down into the second alleyway now. Whoa, baseball roulette?